everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Guys, beautiful car. This is a 6-month-old Rotisserie Restoration. My buddy Scott out of Tennessee is the one who found me this car. He actually, I don't want to say finished it. I mean, yeah, he did. Nothing major, but they just got this car done. Matter of fact, there's like 3 miles on it. He said there's a few more miles on it, actually. They just, the body, the paint, the drivetrain, all that stuff was done. He said they just didn't finish the car. Stuff didn't work, stuff like that, which happens. You know, these restorations are extremely expensive, as a lot of people find out, and then you know, people run out of money and can't get them finished. But very nice car, finished in Tuxedo black. It's got black vinyl interior. It's got a healthy 3-3 stroker motor in it. You can see it's got the little short cowl hood on it. 14-inch SS rallies with new rubber all the way around it. Pretty car, man. This car's got a great look. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. I mean, the paint's slick, it's fresh. It's got shiny black floorboards underneath. I'm sure there's going to be some shakedown to the car. Like I say, it's got 3 miles showing on the odometer. Sorry about the dust. Nothing we can do, man. We are in desperate need of some rain up here. And of course, we just tore our parking lot up. They had to do that for the sewers, so. Slick Tuxedo black paint. Glass. Same thing back here, a couple little marks. Pretty car, man. Goes down the road good. Like I say, great sounding little stroker 3-3 underneath the hood. Blemishes in. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, new rubber. It's got the 14-inch SS rallies on it. Oh, this thing is already dusty, but you can see right over there, just tore up. We got dust everywhere right now. It's terrible. And we need rain bad. Pretty car. Disc brakes on the front. Again, it's a 3-3 cubic inch stroker motor. Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel, polished air gap intake, aluminum water pump. Those are hooker headers. Love the air cleaner and valve covers. Those are Edelbrock racing valve covers and breather. Power steering, manual disc brakes. Does have a pro billet distributor in it. It's got, I think I said that, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. It's got all the aluminum pulleys on it. See, it's got some paint on it. Window trim's nice, new chrome mirror, new door handles. You can see all this stuff's new. New door rubbers, door skins are clean. The bottom of the car is painted all shiny black. New door pads, new carpet, new sill plates. It's got the factory bench seat, Hurst shifter. Headliner looks new. Yeah, It's showing 3 miles on your odometer there. He said there's a few more, but not many. Aftermarket Retrosounds radio. It's got aftermarket gauges. Dash pad is nice. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. 10 bolt, 373. Limited slip rear end with the monoleaf rear suspension. Factory jack with spares in the trunk here. That's just a little wax up there, guys. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Everything opens and closes nice. A little fun hot rod, man. Clean, like some clean underneath. You could literally put mirrors underneath this thing at the show. Nice and flat down the sides. God, that's just dust, guys. It's just brutal out here right now. 90 degrees and Dust Bowl. Steering wheel's nice. Cool car, man. Super cool car. Like I say, fun little hot rod to go bang the gears on.